Well, it's travel day. We're leaving Livingston finally. We've been here for a month and a half.
Yeah.
We was at Lake Livingston State Park for a little over 2 weeks, and then we went to Blue Sky RV Park, which was and stayed there 5 weeks, I think, something
Yeah,
like that.
about 5 weeks.
And hey, listen, if you're ever in the Livingston area and you're looking for an RV park, I highly recommend Blue Sky. 35 bucks a night, super clean, swimming pool, washer dryers.
Has a nice lake, nice walking
Has a
area.
nice pond that you can walk your dogs around. There's large lots, and it's all paved and level lots. All concrete pads. Really nice.
It's really clean.
Yeah, super clean. So anyway, we're on the road. We're heading to Bastrop State Park, and we should be there in about 3.5 hours or so, 4 hours. Probably won't be about 4.5 hours because we like to stop, let the dogs out, and picnic and all that stuff. So, but onward and upward.
Yeah, we did tour Cagle and Huntsville State Park. So if you guys want
Yeah,
to see those, look at our previous
yeah,
videos.
yeah. Check those videos out. While we was in the area, we did some drive-throughs. We drove through Huntsville State Park and we went through Cagle, and just because we're going to be coming back to this area, and if you guys are like us, we like to check out we like to stay at different parks. So we figured since we was here for a month and a half or so that we'd check out some of those parks because when we're back in the area, we might stay at those. And so check those videos out. They're pretty nice.
And like and subscribe our channel,
Yeah,
or Dinky might hit your heels.
yeah. I'm gonna stick my dog on you if you don't if you don't like us. You're not taking that harder. What?
Thing fell off inside. I'll get it later. I don't know where it's at, Donna. Bella done smelled that fox. Come on, Belle. Not. Oh my God.
Woman, you're not doing it right.
This is. She's such a nutcase. She does this on purpose. Bella, are you doing this on purpose? Oh goodness.
Calm down. Our dogs have no.
Hang on. Now say it.
Sure. Uh-huh.
What did you say?
Our dogs have no clue about how to walk on a leash.
Let's go, Belle.
I think he's laying something.
She's waiting on Bella. Look at this out there. Is that pretty or what? All kind of fun stuff to sniff out here. Well, Bella's got to go over there and check this out. Oh no, you don't. I almost went around that pole.
18 out there. That's a good spot.
That is a good spot, yeah. I like how they have the how they have the walkway to the concrete around the fire pit.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Like this one doesn't have that. Still got a beautiful view though. Isn't that? Look at that. What an amazing view that you'd have from this site.
So this would be a nice site because you've got them trees there.
Yeah.
Make it very private, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
She just wants to film. Oh, yo. Thank you for that.
So if you guys come down this loop, as you can see, this is number 9 here, site 9. Going on down. So we're in the center of the road. You can see you have site 11 to the left, site 10 to the right. And our first thought when we came, we were wondering, well, how do you drive down this loop and get spun back around so that you can get into 11 or 10, actually. But as you can see, this road, what we're looking at here, is a loop. So you can drive to the left, loop around and come back into site 10, or you can loop around and come from the left, circle around, and you can come into site number 11. I'll show you from the back side. It It is on a pretty steep hill. So if you see in front of me, like I said, you come around, veer to the right, come around this loop. That's the trail parking at the playground sign. What a beautiful view, huh? But now you're going to come back up the site, and you are on a steep hill, so you're definitely going to have some blocks behind your tires when you park. But it's a pretty nice site. You got a little shade tree there, but on the left is going to be where you hook up. And it is, I believe, just water and electric. But over here, you got your picnic tables and your grills and fire pit. It's for you guys who want to camp in this loop, just to give you an idea how you can get back here.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Simple Mile. Today we're going to do a really quick, delicious meal for our dinner tonight. We're making taco hamburgers, and what we're going to do is start out with a little bit of chopped bell pepper, some chopped onion. Instead of ground beef, I'm actually using ground pork, and then I'm going to cheat a little bit with my seasonings. I'm just going to use a little package of taco seasoning and put in there with it. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of lime juice, a little bit more black pepper. We like a little bit more spicier than what they come out in these packages. Now I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to let it set for a few hours, make it into patties, and then it's going straight to the Blackstone. See you there. All right, everybody, we're ready to put our pork patties or balls on the Blackstone, and what we're going to do is we're going to do smash burgers. So I got my smasher. If you want to know what these are for the two small ones are for Dinky and Bella. They like a good burger. So there we got them going. And just so you know, I've got the Blackstone on low because this is pork. I don't want, like a burger, a hamburger. I'd have it on high. It was screaming. I'd cook them about medium rare to medium. And with pork, of course, I'm gonna cook it thoroughly all the way through. And I didn't want to have it on high because the outside would get burnt before the middle got cooked through. So I've got it on low and slow, which is still pretty warm. So I can get the inside cooked as well without burning the outside. Okay, now let me show you how we're going to put these things together. We've got some taco sauce. We'll put a little taco sauce on the bottom, like that. We're going to take our bun, our patty, put it on our bun. Things are hot. And then we're going to we're going to put a little spinach, baby spinach. You can use lettuce, whatever. We happen to have this spinach and we kind of like it. So we're going to put down a little baby spinach. Of course, some tomatoes. Some avocado. And last but not least, on every taco, you need a little sour cream, right? So on our taco burgers, we're going to have a little sour cream like that. And there you have it. Taco burgers. Bon appetit.
So hey guys, so here we are at Bastrop. We did a little view of the park we'll be showing you guys, but we are cutting this stay short because of the heat index, which was around
105 yesterday.
Yeah,
The
so
temperature was 101. The heat index was 105.
and we couldn't keep the RV cool.
No.
So we were like, what was it in the 80s?
The coolest we could get the RV yesterday was around 83, and that's fans on, air conditioner full whack, keeping the doors closed, blinds shut. It's just too hot. So
It's just way too hot. And our plans were to stay here till Monday and then head up to Eisenhower and stay there for a week and tour that park. And then we were heading on up to Maine, and then we're going to come down from Maine down to South Carolina.
yeah, eventually we're thinking Charleston area. I mean, that's tentative. But basically, we're just kicking it off about 10 days early. Our plan is to chase fall. Go start at Maine, and just take a slow trip down, and chasing fall, looking at all the changing of the colors of the leaves and such as that. So
Yeah.
we're just starting a little bit early. It's just too hot down here for us.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to it, and we're going to be videoing the trip along the way. So stay with us, and we'll be putting out some videos showing you what we're seeing.
Yep.
So we hope you follow along.
Yep.
And like and subscribe and ring that bell so that you get notifications.
Ding-a-ling.